Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafiu. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to chat up with supplier on Taobao step-by-step tutorial without any stress. All you have to do is to watch the step-by-step in this video and see how you get it done, okay? But before I get today's tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification bell so when I upload content about China importation, US and some other country importation, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you would like to join my paid class where I coach you step by step on how you too can be a successful independent importer without using any agent, you want to know how to do everything by yourself, you can contact me via the Facebook profile on the screen of this video, or you contact me on the Instagram, the link on on the screen of this video. And lastly but not the least, you can as well check the description of this video to contact me on WhatsApp if you have interest to join the paid class. And also, if you want to check more of previous video tutorial on importation from China, importation from US, Turkey, and you want to learn more about WeChat stuff, so all you have to do is to, when you visit my channel, you have to go to the playlist right here, okay? So when you click on playlist, you'll be able to see more stuff like this, and then you have to come down here, click on importation class. So currently now we have about 136 video on importation topic alone, which has to do with China importation, US importation, and Turkey importation, India importation, etc. And also about WeChat registration, WeChat tips and tricks, stuff like that. Everything that has to do with China importation and US and some other country importation, you're going to find them right here in this playlist, okay? But if you would like to join my paid class, you want me to teach you step by step, you want me to be your mentorship, you can as well contact me via the contact detail on the description of this video. So guys, so let's get straight to the tutorial and see how you can chat with your Chinese supplier on Taobao step by step. So the first thing I have to do for you guys is that for the purpose of some of you that may not have Chinese keyboard on your phone, okay, what you need to do is to head over to your Google Play Store right here. So when you get to your Google, let me just click on the Google Play Store. Alright, so when you get to your Google Play Store, what you need to do is to download an application called Google Translate. All you have to do is to make use of search bar right here and type in Google Translate, okay? Google Translate. Okay. Alright, so this is what you need to install first and foremost on your phone. So I'm going to click on install right away. So this helps us to type in English language, while the Google Translate will convert it automatically into Chinese character, okay? Alright, so after I successfully install the Google Translate, it's going to I'm going to launch it on this phone so you guys can see how to set up the app. Alright, so you have to click on open after you have successfully installed the app, okay? Boom. So this is the app right here, okay? Now for you to use this app right here, you can use it in different way. Depends on the kind of language you want to use this particular app for. It can be used to translate from English to any language, or from any language back to English. So all you have to do is to correct your language from here. Is from here to here, or is it from here to here, or if from here to here. I'm going to show you the example, and you can make use of camera icon here to upload a scan picture of a screenshot to translate it from this particular app right here, okay? So like I said earlier guys, I'm going to teach you step by step on how you can chat up with your Taobao supplier without any stress. So let's quickly go straight to Taobao app. So before you can chat up with your Taobao supplier, you must have a Taobao app installed on your phone. You must be a registered member on Taobao. So with that, I'm going to log in straight up to my Taobao app. This is the app right here. All right, guys, so we are right on Taobao. Okay. Now let's say, for instance, we want to procure from any particular supplier right here. Before you can purchase from any supplier, it is always good for you to communicate with the supplier, so that will give you a kind of full knowledge about what exactly you are buying from that particular supplier. Okay, so let's say, for instance, I want to buy this particular shoe right here at this amount of 68 RMB. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to just click on the product link right here. Just click on the product link straight up. So when you click on product link, it takes you right here. Okay, now for you to chat up with this supplier right here, all you have to do is to still click on the product link like this one right here. Click on that point. So when you click on that, it takes you to the full page of the product, just like what you see on the screen right here. So wow, so this particular product right here has a video and picture. You can sweep and see more pictures of the product. Okay, so you can sweep and see more pictures of the product. You can go back and you can as well watch the product video. Some products have a video. All you have to do, if a product link has a video, just tap on that play button. It's going to start play the video of the product. Then you'll be able to see. You can see it right here. This is the product live video of this particular supplier. Now, before you can decide to procure from this supplier right here, you can decide to chat them up for further information about the product. You can discuss the discounts with the supplier. You can discuss what have you with the supplier. For you to discuss anything with for you to discuss anything with the supplier, all you have to do is to click on this icon right here. You have to click on that icon. So when you click on the icon, it takes you straight up to where you need to start the communication with the supplier. So you can see the store information right here. You can make use of your iDictionary to translate what the store is all about. Now, for you to chat up with the supplier, you just have to type in whatever you want to ask the supplier, in where I just circle right here. Just type in whatever you want to type. Now, for some reason, you need to type in Chinese character. This is a kind of thing that help you when you are talking to the Chinese supplier, so they will not know whether you are foreigners or you're a Chinese citizen. Okay, so for me to communicate with this supplier, I have to exit from this app first and come back to my Google Translate. So when you get to your Google Translate, you have to type in, sorry for the interruption, you have to come here and type in whatever you want to type. But before you do that, you have to set up your language. From this point right here, you have to set up your language. So what I need here is that I want from English to Chinese. So I have to change this point here to Chinese language. I have to select on that. Then you have to scroll down and look for Chinese simplified right here. Just click on that, select that, simple as that. Then I will now type, and the translator will convert it into Chinese character. So hello, so you're going to see it live and direct. So you can see now that you can communicate with your Chinese supplier in Chinese character. When you are done with whatever you are typing, click on this button here to copy the text. So when you copy it, go back to where you are chatting up with the supplier, click on the chat box, click and hold down and choose paste. Good. Then when you are done, click on this point here to send the message to the supplier. Boom. So your message has been sent to the supplier. So if you can see they were online, so you can see sometimes they send you what do you call it? They send you auto respond message. So for you to know what this supplier are trying to say right here, like I said in the beginning of this video, you need to have iDictionary. So what do I mean by iDictionary? iDictionary, let me quickly exit from the Taobao app. iDictionary is right here. I've already installed it on my phone. iDictionary is an application that helps you to translate from Chinese character to English language or whatever language you want to translate it. So it really helps a lot when you are talking to Chinese supplier. So if you don't have the app installed on your phone before, all you have to do is to go to Google Play Store and download the app and install it on your phone. So for me now, I have this app already, so I will just launch it straight up. So I'm going to click on that. All right, so when it's open up, you have to make sure that this iDictionary open up. But if it doesn't open, all you have to do is to just tap here for quick to turn on the dictionary. Once it's on, then you can go back to where you need it. So I need this iDictionary right here, and the app is already appear on the screen. Okay, so what I'm going to do, you see they are online, they are replying me message. So I will just drag and take the iDictionary onto the Chinese character, so it will translate for me. Okay, I have to set permission. So before I can use this app, so then just click on here to make it active, and click on here to turn it on. Finally, click on OK. Then we can now go back to our Taobao app, so we can translate what the supplier trying to say right here. So it will automatically translate to English language, so you'll be able to read. Do you still have a long, I like the flower, spring trees or stuff like that? So this is another emoji. This will not be able to translate because it is a JPEG. So this is another message from the supplier. So they are online, so they are expecting me to continue the okay. The small customer service is working hard to get discount for you. If you pass this fillet, you will not have this store when you buy stuff like that. So this is just the basic on how you can initiate chatting with the supplier. So you can see they were online, they are ready to, what can I help you? So I will just go back to my Google Translate. Okay, so back to your Google Translate, just tell them that let me just ask, can I know the kg of this of 6 pairs of this shoe? Okay, can I know the kg, total kg? Okay, total kg of 6 pieces of this shoe. Okay, so I will come here now, copy. Okay, then we'll come back here, click and hold down and paste, and click on here to, let me just drag this at the top, click on here to send the message. All right, so they reply me fast. So this is the response. Let's see. Each size is different specification. You can refer to the details of the page on the commodity size. So this is my message. Can I know the total kilo of 6 of these shoes? So you can see how you chat up with your supplier without any stress, step by step. All you have to do is to watch the step by step I'm taking in this video and see how you get it done. Lastly but not the least, if you want me to teach you step by step on how you too can be a successful independent importer, you can feel free to reach me via the contact detail on description of this video. If you have interest to join my paid class, you can contact me. If you want me to procure your link on 1688 Taobao or on Pinduoduo, you can as well contact me via the contact detail on the description of this video, or you contact me via the Facebook profile or my Instagram profile. Thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.